Hello again, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make lemonade at home. I'm gonna be using 3 lemons. I'm gonna squeeze the juice. I'm gonna do it over a strainer so the pulp and the seeds won't be on my juice. So I'm using 3 lemons. Just gonna squeeze it. And then I'm gonna press the juice down to get all the juices. Okay, I'm gonna need 3/4 sugar and 3/4 water. I'm gonna heat it until the sugar is dissolved. I'm just gonna let it boil until there is no sugar visible. Now my syrup is ready. I'm going to pour it over my lemon juice. Just gonna stir it to mix it all together. Now I'm gonna add water. I'll need 3 cups of water, and then I'm gonna refrigerate it until I need it. Okay, now my lemon juice is cold. I'm just gonna save it. I will add just slices of lemon. You can also add ice. Thank you for watching.